Good morning, guys! Today is January 18th and alis kami, punta kami ng Holly, you drop your milk. Well, mommy get it. Alis kami, punta kami ng beach kasi guys, today it will be 42 degrees. So, dapat alis kayo mamaya. Kaso may appointment kami pala, may dental appointment kami. Na-prepare ko na yung mga gamit na dadalhin namin sa beach kagabi. Ito, yung wipes, tsaka yung swimsuit ni Holly, tsaka yung mga towels and sunscreen. Tapos ito yung mga snacks. Ayan, kasi gumawa rin ako ng sandwich kagabi. Nandun sa fridge, so ilalagay ko siya dito para lagyan ko siya ng parang ice. So, yun. So, bigyan ko muna sila ng breakfast and then we will get ready. Oh, come on guys! Let's eat breakfast. Holly? Okay, come on, let's go! Nag-breakfast na sila ng
Wheat-Bix!
yeah, Wheat-Bix.
Yung
Tapos ito kay Holly. Lady finger siya.
Lady fingers?
Lagyan ko siya ng milk para yun ang breakfast niya. Yes, Baba. Thank you. Alis na kami. Kinuha lang ng mga bata yung mga... Hi! Nag-hi siya dun. Kinuha lang ng mga bata yung nila, yung boogie board pa yun. Yun. Wait, yes. It's really hot now. Ayan na sila. Where you gonna put that, Zan? Yeah, you can put it here. Yeah, but you can just put it there, Zach, at the back. Okay. And Kuya, where's yours, Kuya? Okay. Put your seatbelt. Okay, let's go. And guys, where's your bucket?
I have it. It's up there.
Okay. You say?
There's a little one for Holly.
Yeah, but we're gonna buy for Holly. Bibili kami ng sand bucket para kay Holly. Meron daw dyan sa sa Bay, sa general store, sabi ng asawa ko. So yun guys, magdadrive na tayo. Okay, ready, get set?
Good.
1, 2,
3.
3. Yes.
Mine is little here, then mine's a big. Where's my bucket?
It's a bit windy, Kuya.
And it's warm.
Yeah, it's really warm.
Put your on.
Is ang general store dito sa sa Bay. Hindi ko na kayo isasama kasi nahihiya ako. Kilala kami ng mga tao diyan. Guys, yung yung nabili kong sand bucket for Holly and bumili rin ako ng fruit box para sa kids. So, yeah. Alis na tayo. Kami guys. Ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung saan kayo nakapark. Dito kayo nakapark. And then, binaba ko na yung mga gamit namin. Doon kung saan kami magsiset up. Ang hangin guys, pero sobrang init. So ngayon, ibababa ko na yung mga kids. Ang hangin, sobra. Tapos sobrang init. Hello, Holly! Where's your shades, Holly? Here. Wait. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on.
Hot.
Here. Where's your hat? Where's your hat? Get your hat. properly, please. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Wait.
It's Kuya, can you check all the doors if it's properly closed? Okay, you ready, Holly? Let's go. Hold it, hold it. Okay, let's go. Wait for mommy, Kuya. Go. Turn to your right. On your right. Yes. Wow, nice. No. Just your side. You have to hold Holly first because mommy gonna set up our tent. Holly, sit down. Opo. Set up lang ako, guys. Ilalagay ko yung tent. Sobrang init. Ang sakit ng ano, nung tama ng init sa katawan. Wala pa naman dito mga puno-puno, ano pa. As in, widely open talaga siya. Yung mga bata, naglalaro na sila ng ano, ng buhangin. So mag-set up muna ko. Set up ng tent namin. Inaano siya, hinahangin siya, oh. Parang siyang papel. So what Daddy said? Just your Holly. Ooh. Hi, Holly. Oh, there's a big wave, Kuya. Oh, 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 oh. Si Jan, ano pa, nag-fishing pa siya. Yes. wave. Oh, look. Oh. Come on, run. Run. Holly. You alright? Whoa! Come on, let's go here. Here. Kuya, you're too far. Well done. Oh, up. Here.
And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
Okay na yung pan namin, no? Para siyang pinapaypay. Let's get some papa. Carol! Mama, get drink. Mama shake. Yeah. Put your shades on. Yeah. Mama. Yep, here, Holly. Oh, drink. Don't squeeze. Dito na yung dalawa, oh. Look at your hands. It's so dirty. Wash your hands first there and come back. Zach. Come on. Wash your hands first, Zach, because look, all good. Come on. Wash your hands. Upo ka, Holly. Upo doon. Oh. Upo. Upo ka doon, baba, oh. Go back. Upo. Good girl. Upo. Good girl. Good girl, baba. Wow. Wow.
When you were Holly.
Yes. Go. Go in there, Kuya, because it's really hot. Don't sit on the things down, DJ, okay? over, Holly. Go sit down. Okay, sit down. Wow. Do you want something? You want sandwich? Huh? Go wash your hands. Go. Okay, wash your hands. Go back to bed and wash your hands and do sandwich. Gutom na yung dalawa. Pakainin ko sila. Nagbaon kayo ng sandwich, peanut butter, tsaka yung 100,000 Island na ano, na sprinkle. Yun, ayan na yung dalawa. Sandwich, okay. I'll get your sandwich. Tama na dito. No, you don't need the ice pack.
So can someone pass me the rice, please? No. Can I do Holly one?
Yeah.
Holly's eating grape. There's still food in her mouth.
Okay. Is it good?
I
So
like
what,
that.
Holly, is it good,
Mom,
Holly?
I like
Yeah.
that. Look.
Huh?
Now look at
You like it?
I'm done right.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, eat
Should I
more.
get some grapes here?
Yeah, you can have some grapes.
Pepper on here. That we have the big ones. That's enough. Oops. Wait. It's your
Don't drop it, Scott. You know this one.
Give me.
Much in a plate. Ang dami yung watermelon. Kuya, eat some watermelon. Marami yung Share with me your watermelon, Scott. You're going now? Okay. Be careful, not too far, okay?
Yeah, and take
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Be careful, okay? Listen to mommy, ha? Not too far, Holly. Sit down. Opo. Dito lang kami ni Holly. Kumakain pa kami. Ang init. Oh my God, ang sakit. Oo, Holly. Put this straw, Baba. Hmm? Put this straw. Put this straw. We have to move. We have to move. It's really hot. It's really hot. Oh, it's nice in here. Come on, sit. lang, no? Don't waste the watermelon, darling. Oy. Yes. Si masarap? Ha? Mm. Upo. Here, oh. No, nothing there. There, oh. Here. Upo. Here, stay. Upo. Upo. Wow. Mwah. Good ka, Holly. Thank you. Wala, ang lakas ng alon, oh. Holly, stay here. Ah! Tingnan nyo guys yung alon, wait. Lumilipad talaga yung tent namin. There's a lot of cars, kuya. May mga bagong dating.
I said I will watch the others, right? Honey, hold on. Honey, hold on.
Hihilahin ni kuya si Holly. Move forward, kuya. Let Holly to move forward.
Whoa.
Forward. Holly at the front.
Hold on.
Not in the water, kuya, ha? Just, no.
Ah, look at that. You're on my lap. Oh, my lap.
Holly!
Good to that. Good to that.
Holly! Stay there, Holly! Don't. Ay, ang laki niya. Ay, ang laki niya. That's it, Kuya. That's it. Not too far. Okay. Drag Holly, go. Kuya, not here, Kuya. Go there now. Wait. Hold on, Holly. Hold on. Let her hold, Kuya. Hold on, Holly. Not in there, Kuya, now. Just here. Just here. No, Holly. Opo. Saan ka, Kuya, to paddle? Oh. Wave, Kuya, wave.